Regular maintenance of alumina or ball pressing machine can improve the efficiency of ball pressing machine, reduce the intensity of manual work, but also can greatly enhance the competitiveness of the enterprise in the industry. In the run-in period should do a good check of the sealing of the machine, check the oil amount of the equipment, strengthen the smooth operation of each smooth point of the ball press, and use a more correct smearing method to use smooth grease for smooth operation. 2. In the use of aluminium-silicon or ball press equipment to keep clean, timely check the various parts to ensure that each part in the use of no loose damage phenomenon. 3 should be the silicon alumina ball press forced maintenance, timely replacement of oil, maintenance,